Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to build a squeeze page using this free software. Just enter your email there, then you will get a confirmation email sent to your inbox. Once you get that email with the verification link, click on the link to confirm and enter the new password that you want to use for this account. Once you enter the password, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and to start you can just click on funnels. It will take you to the screen where you can start creating the funnels from there. And once you get to this page, you can select the funnel goal, then set the currency that you want. You'll get a lot of choices of currencies. Just choose the one that matches your needs and just click on save. Once you save, initial funnel setup is completed, and you can just see this quiz page is already populated there. And for this example, we are just using this template. You can give a name that matches your requirement. For this example, we are giving it a URL test funnels, and just click on save. Once it's saved, you can see you can drag and drop the steps. You can add steps for test funnels. Just for this example, I am giving a name as upsell, and I am choosing upsell as a new step to just show you what is possible with this free software. That will generate another templates based on the upsell that we selected. We'll just remove this for now. Let's just stick with the squeeze page that we created. You can also set up automation rules, add triggers. You can do A/B testing. You can see the stats. You can see the sales revenue. You can also set up deadline funnels. You can see the emails of the leads that came in. And once you are here, you can view the funnel step. You can edit page using this button. Once you click that, it will take you to this easy to use drag and drop builder, where you have that video squeeze page template that we selected. You can delete or edit whatever you want from here by just clicking it. Once you hover over any element, there will be the delete button there. You can just click on the delete button, and it will delete that section there. And when you click on any particular elements, it will open up that controls for that particular element. As you can see, it's video. We can add custom embed there. We have the option to add edit code. When you click on it, you have the option to paste code from third-party website. If you want, you can do that. You can upload your own video files by clicking and that button and dropping the video files there. You can host it here itself, so you don't have to rely on any other third party. You have also the option to enable autoplay and controls for video playing. You can give shadows, you can adjust the margin, and you can add delay to the video. You can select whether this item can be visible on mobile or desktop. So you have a whole lot of control options just for this simple video section. So that's why this software is really powerful. With the free option, you get high quality customization. Once everything is ready, you can just exit out of it. And this is the page where we can also add thank you pages. As you can see, there is a small icon that's showing because we have not yet set up our thank you page. In order to change that, we have to select a thank you page from the list of the templates that is available. So as you can see, that error icon is now gone. That means we have a template selected for our thank you page. Let's just edit and see how it looks. This is what our users will see once they come through our squeeze page. And it's always a good idea to actually set up thank you pages. So even that is possible with this free plan. So as you can see, this comes with a lot of functionalities and customization, and if you want to try this out, you can do that by clicking the link in the description. Hope this was useful to you, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.